Can't tell your troopers they just passed me. We are going 167 towards Woodson. I get more patch. We got more guys towards Woodson too. I believe we got a trooper behind me. I'm just waiting on him to catch up. Team back up with the trooper in. Adam 11 is primary. Going for TVI, stand by. And we're still 67. TVI, just out the woods. Roll over. Central start moving. Devil.
11 Little Rock, I'm 2-4. He's running.
What?
Hey. Can you give me a little love tap on the back to get me unstuck?
I will. You can push you down into it?
Yeah, I'd rather be stuck here than wedged here.